What's up, guys? Welcome to the latest episode of the Sam Jones Show. I'm out here in Cayce at the newest property I'm about to flip, which is about 5 minutes outside of downtown Columbia. Let's go and check it out. For starters, we come out here and get some nice landscaping done in this front yard. We're probably gonna remove this the gate from around the front yard, open it up a little bit. We're definitely gonna come out here and put a brand new roof on the new roof, as well as some exterior paint. We're also gonna put some new windows on this as well. Definitely gotta come in here and do some work to these ceilings, the floors, get rid of the wall paneling. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about the wood flooring I'm gonna put down here in this dining area, as well as the kitchen. Probably come over into the kitchen, and I haven't quite decided what I'm gonna do with it yet. I have some ideas. Definitely take out this whole cabinet setup. We're gonna rearrange this entire kitchen for the most part. I might end up putting an island in it at some point. Not exactly sure, but the fixtures, sink fixtures, flooring, fridge, appliances, it'll all be brand new when I'm done with it. This bathroom isn't very big at all, but yeah, we're gonna go in and pretty much a full gut with the bathroom. New toilet, new tub, new sink, new window. Basically, we're gonna tile this bathroom up from the floor to the ceiling. It's gonna look really good when it's done. Bedroom needs a little work. It'll be new carpet, redo the ceilings in here, windows as well. Back over to the final bedroom, where for the most part, do pretty much the same renovations. We come in, change the light fixture, new paint, new carpet. Come into this bathroom and pretty much gut it as well, and fully tile the bathroom from the floor to the ceiling again. New vanity, new light fixture, new toilet, the whole nine. It's gonna be pretty good when it's done. All right, so out back, we got a little patio area right here. I got some ideas as to what I'm gonna do with it. I'm not exactly sure yet. I'm also gonna renovate that shed out back as well. So yeah, this is gonna be a pretty fun project. This is gonna be a lot of work going on over here in the next few weeks or so. I know I mentioned in the last video about flipping properties that I was gonna keep you up to speed with the other one I was working on. I didn't quite get to show you what I wanted to on that one because the tenant actually signed the lease and moved right back in the property. So that one didn't quite work out the way I had planned, but this one you will get to see the full process. So we'll have this before video, we'll have a few videos in the mix of renovations, and then you'll see the final product. So stay tuned. Sam Jones, check it out.